Wattsan 6090LT is a bestseller among our clients all across Europe. It's used for producing toys, packaging, advertising, decor, and much more. Wattsan 6090LT offers a universal size, precise engraving and cutting, and high reliability. And today, I'll tell you exactly how Wattsan engineers achieved this feature in this machine. My name is David, this is Virmer. Check your subscription and let's get started. Why Wattsan? Virmer is the official dealer of Wattsan in Europe, and our company chose its manufacturer for several reasons. Wattsan has been producing machines for over 20 years and has its own R&D department. Their experienced design engineers rely on the latest developments in mechanical engineering and take into account feedback from customers. Thanks to this approach, Wattsan has implemented over 50 upgrades to their machines. So, let's take a closer look at the construction of the 6090LT. 6090LT. First, this machine has an internal reinforced frame, and the thickness of the body walls is 2.7 mm. This makes the machine highly stable and helps absorb vibrations during operation. Second, the gantry is made from a lightweight, durable aluminum profile, reinforced at the corners. The thickness of the gantry here reaches 7 mm. Third, three-phase stepper motors are more accurate and smoother than two-phase motors, and belt reducers with a 4:1 ratio reduce load on the motor and increase cutting precision. Fourth, the machine uses 3M belts with increased tooth size, which last longer and are resistant to abrasion. Fifth, Wattsan CO2 machines are equipped with a shortened nozzle and polyurethane tubes, which allow for a powerful air assist of up to 8 atmosphere. A strong air assist provides clean cuts even on materials up to 6 mm thick. Sixth, this machine comes with anodized blades that prevent laser reflection from the underside of the material during cutting. By the way, you can replace them with an honeycomb table. We have a separate video about this feature. Seventh, Wattsan machines have a potentiometer located right there. It allows fine power adjustments during engraving on thin or sensitive materials, such as denim, for example. The letters LT stand for lifting table. It lowers by 160 mm and it's driven by a chain and asynchronous motor capable of supporting up to 80 kg. This also allows you to install a rotary device on the machine. The laser tube power in the 6090LT is 90 watts. The machine can process plastics, rubber, stone, wood, wood-based material, leather, leatherette, fabric, paronite, and many more. The machine is equipped with a HIWIN controller, and by the way, all Wattsan models will soon get an upgrade. Subscribe so you won't miss it. And of course, Virmer Service team is always ready to assist you with setups, maintenance or repair. Our engineers train clients to work with CNC machines in 7 languages across Europe. If you need a machine of a different size or power, just contact us by phone or visit our demo hall in the Netherlands to see our machines in action. Do you have any question? Leave them in the comments below. My name is David, this is Virmer. Subscribe and like the video so you won't miss the next one. See you!